Like, hey man, this goes out to all the real hoes out there.
Slob on my knob,
like corn on the cob.
Check in with me and do your job.
Lay on the bed and give me head. Don't have to ask, don't have to beg. Juicy is my name, sex is my game. Let's call the boys, let's run a train. Squeeze on my nuts, lick on my butt, then that's your curly hair. Please don't touch. First one I made, second find a place, third find a bag to hide the whole face. Real name Roller, I said bend over, I started to knock. Then came the odor, smelled like mush. Shouldn't have a bush, told her to stop, then took a douche. Well, she did that, I didn't want the cat, so I bounced out and never came back. Suck a nigga dick or something. 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 Nigga be magic, said he had to have it. I said for God, keep grabbing. No little freak in Hollywood, so on dick, does it real good. She'll give you money, fill up your tummy. House full of kids, parents all scummy. Once had her down, backyard ground. Hit it from the back, enjoy the sound. Lay on the cover, always used the rubber. Till I got caught, fucking with her mother. She blamed it on me, we fought in the street. She blew out the night, so I had to flee. Called up the boys, went to her house, went to her place, threw the bitch out. Police busted in. God, we just in time, never came back. Rolled through the hood, waving at the freaks, smoking on the rocks and smoking on the geeks. Made another stop, the police station, saw a few cops, drove by and sprayed them. License tag number, a nigga said he soft, bogus all the time, never get
Slob on my cat, cause you know it's fat. Check in with me and do that.
I know you from the streets. My nigga heard it too and said you Julie's me.
I honestly don't think I've ever listened to that song the whole way through.
Okay, bye everyone.